Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Julian Velez, Robot Valens. Today I'll be walking around Rockefeller Center, hitting up some of the sites here in the city. As you can see, some of the things are going to be, it's very festive. All the things are covered in lights for the most part. Highly recommend if you guys are in town to stop over and check out Rockefeller Center. You can catch a show over in Radio City. It's also really nice. A lot of the vendors are out. It's not as cold as other days, so we lucked out with the weather. But yeah, tell me what photos you like. Thank you again for everyone who's subscribed and liked. I'm just very excited for this new year and what's to come. Shout out to all the people who continue to share my videos and show me support. Thank you so much. Wishing everybody happy holidays and a happy new year, and be safe everybody in this upcoming year.
We're going